Chicago. Kids are out of school. There's magic in Motown. City's on the move. Jackson, Mississippi, Charlotte, Carolina, and all across this nation, there's a peaceful Christmas time. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pines. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pines. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. That's ending number 12.
Well, Merry Christmas, everybody. Now, this is actually Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas.
Now, you know, when I was a kid, I come from a family of 17, and when we were small, the big deal for us was back east, and it was snow every December. It was like an Eastern kind of a Christmas with Mom and Dad, and back then it was only 16 of us because my sister wasn't born until we got to California, my baby sister, Ginny. Anyway, the big deal for us was go to bed early because you had to get up at midnight and open your gifts at midnight. We didn't wait for Christmas morning. That was a tradition back there. A lot of families did this back in the 50s and 60s. 40s, 50s is what I should be saying. So yeah, at midnight, man, when I was 4, 5, 6 years old, like, you know, with Santa Claus and gifts and everything, it was midnight, man. Mom would wake us up.
I couldn't go to sleep on Christmas Eve.
I know,
usually.
well.
I asked my mom and dad, can I have some like sleep medication? No, you can't have any sleep medication.
Well, you know, they were trying to keep you away from that stuff.
Yeah.
What about you, Gary? What was your childhood Christmas like? What was your plan?
I was stealing Christmas tree lights from people's houses, so I'd have them for the next year.
Not when you were 4 or 5 years old. You must have believed in
See,
Santa.
I just stole the neighbor's Christmas tree lights because I had to be home. I had to get back home.
What about you, Dan? Just give us a quick one here.
I wasn't allowed to have Christmas until I was 27.
Oh.
Hey, we're messed up musicians. Boy.
I hope you all heard that. My brother Buddy, I've been mad at him for, well, I'll be 80 in June. For about 79 years I've been mad at that guy. You know what he did? We have a beautiful picture of us sitting on the steps. We have this big house with a big stairway that went up with a banister and everything. An Eastern colonial, you know, type house.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and a bunch of us kids are all sitting on the steps. And Buddy and I that year, we must have been about 7 or 8, maybe 6 or 7. Anyway, got these beautiful pearl handle cap guns and cowboy hats. And we had our hats on and you could see us wearing our guns.
I have those too.
Oh, that was so great. Let me tell you something about Buddy, my brother. He still has his. He has those same guns from like
It's probably worth a lot.
75 years ago. I said, how in the hell? He's been in the army, he's married, he raised his kids, he's moved, you know, around. how did you man? He says, I don't know. Everywhere I went, I seemed to pack those guns, and they went with me.
70, he's
I
had them
still
for
got 'em at
75
home.
years.
Well, if he had him at 5, 6 years old, he's
Yeah.
almost 80. It's 75 years ago. Yeah, he's got the original gun. I wonder what they're worth. Anyway, I talked enough about that. But Merry Christmas to everybody out there. We almost didn't do the show, and we decided to do one. So, Bob, you want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Do whatever you like.
Here's one for the dancers.
Okay, kids, start dancing.
No, we're going to do a Lay Down Sally to start off here. In the key of G.
Gee, I like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
There is nothing that is wrong with wanting you to stay here with me. I know you've got somewhere to go, but you can lay your worries down and stay with me. And don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, rest here in my arms. Don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally. There's no need to leave so soon. I've been trying all night long just to talk to you. The sun ain't nearly on the rise. We still got the moon and stars above. Underneath the velvet skies, love is all that matters. Won't you stay with me? And don't you ever leave. Lay down, Sally, and rest here in my arms. But don't you think you want someone to talk to? Lay down, Sally, there's no need to leave so soon. I've been trying
that's the name of that tune.
That was written by Marcy Levy. You
Yes,
know
it was.
Marcy?
Yes.
Who wrote that?
Marcy Levy.
Oh, start Clapton wrote it. You know.
They wrote it together.
Oh.
They may have.
So he was on there as writer. So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and they were nice enough, like I say every week, to give us a little place to hang out. We're having a ball. And again, we almost didn't do this show, and I talked to Bob yesterday, not Smith, Bob Gothard. Called him, he called back, said, I'll do it. And I called Dan, he said, yeah, you know, we'll kill a couple of hours and have a little show. And Gary was up for it, so here we are. And right after this, I've got to get down to Glendale to my brother's place. We have a great big party, Christmas family party every year. And it's a lot of fun.
I've got a party to go to tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah, there you go.
They're my sisters, yeah.
Good, that'll be fun. Family and food
Family
and all
and
that
food
stuff.
and all that
Wonderful. All right, Swan.
It's the real deal about your parties. So thrilled. Write in, folks, and tell us about your parties.
You know what I'm doing tomorrow?
What?
Nothing.
Could you invite Dan? to
Dan
your
said
house?
he's not doing anything tomorrow.
Watching TV.
Well, it's, you know, you can do that if you want to.
I hear they cut your cable off. Better watch out, better not cry, better be good, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You're making a list, taking it class, gonna win down, naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. You know the way you've been working, you know the way you're away. You know that you've been bad or good, but good for goodness sake. Better watch out, better not cry, better be cool, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus hasn't gained any weight in the last hour. The cookies are not out yet, folks. Put them cookies out.
So my brother Tony and I, and my brother Louis, for over 30 years now, we don't do any Christmas shopping till Christmas Eve. We meet the morning, like we met this morning at about 10:30. We go have something to eat, and then we run around the mall together for 2 or 3 hours.
Oh boy.
We get everything we think we need to get, and we're done. We've been doing that forever.
That is the only way.
My wife starts like 3 months ago, you know, shopping and looking and planning, and I'm like, oh, okay, That's fun too, but
I used to wait till the last day too.
yeah, that's what we do.
I used to.
Bob, you want to do another one? I might
Yes.
sing one, but I'm not ready
Yes.
yet.
Let's do Tennessee Waltz
Great song.
in 4/4
I love that. In what key?
in C.
In C.
No, I'm sorry, B. It's
B, that's
B
right.
boy today. 1-5-1 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I was waltzing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to see. I introduced him to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. And I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling, and when they were dancing the beautiful Tennessee waltz. Verse. And I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing that beautiful Tennessee waltz. Play, Carmine. I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing that beautiful Tennessee waltz. Oh, the beautiful Tennessee waltz. There you go.
Great song.
Yes.
Joey. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. A little loud, folks, but I think it's okay. Welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope you're all safe and happy, and all the little kids. At my brother Tony's house, every Christmas Santa comes. And now you got to understand something, folks. Well, you don't have to understand it, but you can think about it if you want to, you know, on your own time. I come from a family of 17, which means last year at Tony's house we had over 150 people, and we had quite a few friends, but 80% of them were all family. Because I have nieces and nephews in like 200-300, kind of a number. And then I got second nieces and nephews. So it's all my young nieces and nephews that are now in their 40s and 50s, and they got babies. And I got some great nieces and nephews. So we end up with always around like 30 little kids from 2 to like 7.
Do you remember all their names?
No. I remember my brothers and sisters and a lot of my nieces and nephews, of course, but not the second, third generation. What do I know? Yeah, but all these little kids show up, and with their beautiful parents, and then Santa comes, and they just go nuts. It's really something to see. So we're going to go there about 7:30 tonight. And so we're going to do this show. Might quit about 10 minutes early, so I get a jump on it. But just want to thank you for watching. Have a great Christmas and a great Christmas Eve, and of course, Happy New Year too. Gary, you want to do another one?
She is a good boy. Watch me for the ending.
What's it called?
She.
as in good boy.
Gee, okay.
Which is good.
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache melt. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, thinking I'd get back. With only these few million tears I've cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. And crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you it always been. I got over you long enough to let my heart in me. But today I started loving you again. I said today I started loving you again.
Great song, good job. Good job, Gary Swan. We're here at Bob Smith Toyota doing a little Christmas Eve show. Then we're all gonna run to our families and do the family thing. And I got a great granddaughter, 3.5-year-old Nicole, and she is so into Santa. They had the Montrose Christmas parade, and they have Santa Claus come on a helicopter. And it goes real slow and low over the boulevard. You know, Montrose is a small little community. It's like, bop, 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 big L, and all the kids are looking at his Santa hanging out waving. And my daughter Sarah's got a thing on Nicole, and she's looking up, and her mouth is as wide open as she could get it. And she's looking, and she says, "I want to talk to Santa." Anyway, folks, I thought it was funny, but she's just a beautiful, like any 3.5-year-old would be, just an angel from heaven. They're just so great, those kids. Bob, you want to do another one?
Yeah. Let's do a rocker.
Let's do it.
It's called Ain't Living Long Like This.
Love that song. What key?
Yes, in the key of G.
It's a good key for that song.
Yes, it is. Okay. We'll vamp on the G. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I looked for trouble and I found his son. Straight down the barrel of a lawman's gun. I wanna run, but I don't think I can. You make a move and you're a dead man's baby, living long like this. makes Texas Ruby look like Sandra Dee. I want to love her, but I don't know how. I'm at the bottom of the jailhouse, living long like this. I can't live it all like this. Get out, baby. Do you know the story about the jailhouse rock? Don't wanna do it, but just don't get caught. They got 'em all in the jailhouse, baby. They live it all like this. I can't live it all like this. Can I, baby?
Oh, that's rock and roll.
That's
man.
another one for the dancers.
I don't care what you say. That's
Oh,
rock
by the
and
way,
roll.
they played an arrangement of mine on the radio today.
They did.
Yeah, KCSN
Good.
at about 8:47.
I'm sorry I missed it.
A Christmas medley, you know.
Wow.
Silver Bells and Silent Night. Yeah,
Can't do that here.
very
Can
very nice.
you? No, what? No, kid. No, we don't know it.
Boy,
I said you can't do it here. Can you right now?
No.
Probably not.
It's got two key changes.
Oh, forget about it.
what's the band on that?
I get lost when I'm in one key.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you played our Kulaks thing.
No.
No, that was somebody else.
Well, I have a band of Kulaks, but on the recording it's me.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid. And they said he got religion at the end. And I'm glad that he did. Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. He wasn't as good as Bob Gotham, but he was pretty good. Used to follow Clayton, thought he was kind of and I often wonder why Clayton, he seemed so good to me. And he never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Now my daddy said he drank a lot and I could never understand. I can see him have Stone pick out blues in the band. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise I was gonna carry on somehow. And I give $100. He could only see me now. Got it. homesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise. I said I'm gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. Again, there. Thank you, boys. Good job. Well, here at Bob Smith Toyota, I felt like picking a little, so I kind of, stepped on myself a few times, but nobody got hurt.
No,
That's the main thing, Bob. Bob, you want to do another one?
yeah.
All right, buddy.
Let's do Above and Beyond the Call of Love.
I love that song.
In F.
Okay,
I'm sorry it's an F, but that's what it's going to be.
that's a good key. I love that.
If you love, that's above. 151 with the break. Okay.
Cue the stops.
Huh?
Cue the stops.
With the stops, yeah, yeah. Here we go. Ready? 151 with the break.
You got it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, I'll give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and I'll never ever make you cry. Gonna give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and I knew at a glance that I'd found my destiny. Now I wanna carry you off and marry you if you will agree. And I'll give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and I'll never ever make you cry. I'm gonna give you love that's above and beyond the call of love, and love something that money can't buy. Oh, darling, love something that money can't buy.
Another true story.
Yeah.
Really?
We might quit a little early tonight because we all got places to go, but it's 20 minutes till. We'll go another 10, 15 minutes, and then we're going to say Merry Christmas till next weekend, which is going to be New Year's. I don't know if we'll do a show New Year's Eve or not. We probably will.
I'm working.
You guys are working New Year's Eve? Just because I don't pay anything, you're going to quit me.
I'll be in Long Beach.
Oh, man, good for you. What about you, Dan? Where are you going to be?
Yeah, I got a gig for $30.
Well, that's twice as much as I'm paying you. Where are you going to be?
I think it's in Moore Park.
Oh, man. These guys actually got pay gigs. Gee, nobody calls me anymore because I don't blame them. What about you, Gary? What are you doing? You going to be here with me?
No, I'm getting married.
You getting married?
He's getting married in the morning. Ding dong the bell.
Probably be in the afternoon. Have to be afternoon or late afternoon because I don't get up till about 1.
Hit us one more time.
Tune by Ben Skill.
Good song.
He thanked me for not playing his music. No, he actually thanked me for playing his music.
But not the way you played it. He didn't think-
No, he never heard me play it. One more last chance.
Okay.
In the key of.
A. Apple. Sounds good at home if you play it in B at home.
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. She was standing out the front door. I came home last night. The book in the left hand, old man in the right. Said to come on for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. You're
You know, JD worked with him for quite a while.
I know.
And I saw him once in Vegas. A long time ago, JD was with him in 20 years ago. And what a great show. Vince is so good. What a great singer. And what a guitar player. Man, that guy will stop you in your tracks.
Well, Hammond
He
was
can play.
gonna,
He plays mandolin too.
I plays everything, I know, but his guitar playing is like.
I asked the president of Hammond Organ to give me this Leslie pedal, right?
Uh-huh.
Waited and waited and waited and when Nashville, up in Nashville, for the NAMM show, and the president said, "Hey, I brought your pedal." So I said, "Fantastic." So I go to lunch, I come back and there's Vince Gill at the booth, holding my pedal. And they gave him my pedal, and the last thing he said was, "Oh, let me pay for it." And they're going, "Oh, no, that's all right."
And he took your pedal.
Took my pedal.
I love that.
So,
Well, that's what they do when they want to. You got one, Bob?
Okay.
You want to do another one?
Yeah, let's do another one. Can we do a Creedence Clearwater song?
Yeah, which one?
Let's do, Have You Ever Seen the Rain?
I think I know that. What key is it in?
Clearwater?
Creedence Clearwater.
Yeah.
Thought he said Cletus.
No,
Creedence.
Clearwater.
Creedence.
Uh,
Creedence Clearwater.
key of G.
You got it.
Yeah. It starts with an E minor to C and then a G, and then we do the lick.
You'll do it. I'll play it.
Okay? E minor to C. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's
Thank you and Merry Christmas.
Well, folks, that's gonna close us out. It's 10 minutes to 7. I gotta get a jump on where I gotta be. Thank you for watching the show. Merry Christmas to everybody. Love you all. We'll see you next week for the New Year's show. Talk to you later, guys. Good night. Bob, thank you.
We done did it.
That was fun, man. Yeah. It was a good show. We did good. We played decent. It was fun. Let me get out of here real quick.
Luckily, I don't have a whole lot of stuff to pack.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes I do.
But-
Today I don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna do something now. Yeah, Gary. That's for this weekend. Is that okay? Can I help you out? Kim. Hey. Joe, do you have change for 50 by any chance? Nothing? If you have it, I'll pay you now. No. I got it. I want to give it to you. Okay, everybody cheer down and go home. Stop the madness, I tell you. These cupcakes are pretty good.
So she video called me.
Who?
No, I got like, I got, you know, like those scam things, right? You know, on the internet. There was a girl I know, and she video called me, and she just said, you know, and it was like quick, like you could just hear it for a second, and then like went out like it normal, you know, like it might normally
Yeah.
connection. And she's like, my connection's bad. You know, she texted me back. She goes, I'm locked out of my account. I need verification to get in or something. Yeah, and, whatever.
Yeah.
Told her her thing was hacked, dude. But